To set up your file for the secret code project, the first thing you want to do is create new. Then you want to click print to create a new file. Let me get this centered here. On the right, we want the measurement to be in inches, and we want the width to be 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, bleed, we don't need bleed for this project. CMYK color and high res at 300 pixels per inch. And then also, if you want to go ahead and set up the total project, you can ask for 10 artboards, or if you're just going to do the first one, it's 1 artboard. Click create, and there's our file. If you go to view actual size, come on, actual size, and it's Command 1 or Control 1, then you'll see that that is all the bigger that we're creating these files. So you want to keep your strokes on your items to be probably 1 point large or larger so that they are visible at this size. If after you've gotten one of these done, you want to create a new artboard, you can go over to, well, actually, I'm sorry, you go up to here, up into the properties, and it says artboard, and there's one. You can edit the artboards, artboard options. I'm wrong. I'm going to cancel that. What I actually want to do instead, I keep thinking that there must be something there for adding more artboards, but there does not seem to be. So I'm going to then go to my window, and I'm going to go down to artboards, and we get this palette. At the bottom of the palette, there's a plus sign, and if I click, it creates another artboard. If I've created something on an artboard and I want to duplicate it, again, this is just a simple example, don't do simple things. And I want to duplicate that, I can click this artboard. It shows me the artboard. Under the options, I can duplicate artboards. And then if I go to view, fit all in window, then it shows me all the artboards, and you'll see that that one's duplicated. So this one now looks the same, and you can then go and move objects around. Okay, so that's how we set up this. Also, we can rearrange the artboards by going here, and we can tell it to be, say, 2 columns. Click OK, and now the artboards are in 2 columns. If you don't do that, I think what you generally get is 10 artboards in a row, and that gets a little unwieldy. So we can use this rearrange artboards to get the artboards in a way that is easier to view. And then, of course, I can hit Command negative or Control negative and zoom out. Okay, thanks.